Alright, you ready?
I'm ready.
Gettysburg traffic, Cessna 976 Hotel Bravo is departing runway 24 Gettysburg, departing to the east.
Philadelphia area from September 26th through the 27th. See no TAMs for more information. Advise this contact, you have information kilo. Lancaster Tower, information kilo 20500, wind 070 at 11, visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000, temperature 26, 2.11, altimeter is 3027. Expect visual approach runway 8 or runway 13. Notice to airmen, temporary flight restrictions in effect for the Philadelphia area from September 26th through the 27th. See no TAMs for more information. Advise this contact, you have information kilo.
Kilo. Lancaster Tower, Cessna 976 Hotel Bravo.
Cessna calling tower, say again.
Lancaster Tower, Cessna 976 Hotel Bravo.
Cessna 976 Hotel Bravo, Lancaster Tower.
6 Hotel Bravo is 12 miles over Columbia from the west, inbound to land with information kilo.
You're at 3,000 feet.
Yes, we are, 3,000 feet.
You got the citation jet just off your right side?
No, we're looking. Do you see the jet?
Well, he's about a half a mile off your right. And a little high.
We got him in sight.
Says 976 Hotel Bravo, make a straight in approach, runway 8, report 3 miles.
Straight in approach, runway 8, report 3 miles, 976 Hotel Bravo.
Lancaster Tower. Says 976 Hotel Bravo Tower, if you can pick up your speed a little bit, I'd appreciate it.
We'll pick it up, 6 Hotel Bravo. Six Hotel Bravo is 3 miles out, Lancaster Tower.
So 6 Hotel Bravo, runway 8, clear to land.
Runway 8, clear to land, 6 Hotel Bravo. Alright, gonna cut the power. Coming in.
There's a hot air balloon.
Where does he want me to turn?
Says 6 Hotel Bravo, turn right at Hotel, ground 121.8.
Right on Hotel 121.8, 6 Hotel Bravo.
One 2645 and 1674.
Back is correct.
Lancaster ground, Cessna 976 Hotel Bravo.
This is 976 Hotel Bravo, Lancaster ground.
6 Hotel Bravo would like to taxi back for takeoff to the west. 6 Hotel Bravo.
6 Hotel Bravo, turn right there on Delta, hold short of runway 13.
Right on Delta, hold short of 13, 6 Hotel Bravo.
Says 6 Hotel Bravo, traffic exiting ahead is going to hold short for you.
Copy that, 6 Hotel Bravo.
This is 6 Hotel Bravo, cross runway 13.
Crossing runway 13, 6 Hotel Bravo. Lancaster ground, 6 Hotel Bravo, is it okay to switch over to tower?
Affirmative. Information.
Lancaster tower, Cessna 976 Hotel Bravo.
Cessna 976 Hotel Bravo, Lancaster Tower, runway 8, cleared for takeoff, turn left on course.
Clear for takeoff, turn left on course, 6 Hotel Bravo. Lancaster tower, Cessna 976 Hotel Bravo, requesting frequency change.
Approved, have a good night.
Frequency change approved, have a good night. Your traffic, Cessna 976 Hotel Bravo is on the 45 for runway 35 York. York traffic, Cessna 976 Hotel Bravo is on downwind, 35 York. York traffic, Cessna 976 Hotel Bravo, left base, 35 York. York traffic, Cessna 976 Hotel Bravo is turning final, 35 York. Ah, smooth.